Tian is carrying out maintenance at a steel plant. Just like Sarah. Sarah is the department manager. Both work well together. Except when it comes to document management. Both have their own archive systems. Both systems work well, except when they have to collaborate. And to be frank, there is a much more efficient way to handle documentation in the digital era. MDoc from Primetals Technologies provides online access to well-organized technical documentation stored safely and securely, which means that all the facts and figures relating to your steel plant are available anytime, from anywhere, even when a colleague is on holiday. Great, right? We think so too. How does it work? All of the documentation relating to your Primetals Technologies plant is available on the MSpace platform. All you have to do is open the relevant project and you're ready to go. All of the documents are added to the specific project. Any drawings of the plants and spare parts are also connected with each other. To search for a specific spare part, you can use the search tool or search directly within the drawing. As you can see, it is quick and easy. And if you want to add a note, you simply open the document and add your comment using the note function. So, you see, with MDoc, your documentation is always perfectly organized and up to date. Plus, you can optimize your documentation policy and maximize your profits. Now, Tian and Sarah know how to improve their documentation workflow. Interested in trying MDoc for yourself? So if you want the key to the industry of the future, contact us now.